So Indo-Pacific Regional Dialogue is an event that we hold every 2 years by the Indian Navy in partnership with the National Maritime Foundation. We pick up different pillars in successive editions, and this year the pillar that we picked up is capacity building and capability enhancement. So basically, as far as capacity is concerned, it is the tools that we can provide to nations which need assistance in terms of hardware, whether it is ships, aircraft, or slightly at a lower level, it may be radars, it may be information sharing centers. And capability enhancement is basically to train the people, the human resource development, so that they have the ability to use these tools to improve the maritime security and to meet the maritime challenges that they have.
So given maritime security challenges like the Red Sea, there is also disruption of logistics supply chain, how is the Indian Navy engaging with regional partners to mitigate this spillover?
So the Indian Navy, of course, deploys independently in certain issues, but it also deploys in a cooperative manner. So if you look at some of the things that you mentioned, the disruptions to the sea lanes of communication, to piracy, as far as narcotics trade is concerned, we do have all ship always 24/7 in the patrol of the Gulf of Aden, and we are acting independently there. But we also coordinate with other powers that are deployed in that area. The European Union naval forces, EU NAV4, as they call themselves, the US forces. So we coordinate with their headquarters at the operational level to make sure that they are working in concert.